I'm in Sam Shui Po and I'm off to an all-day Hong Kong cafe. If you want some delicious food, follow me. So this is Ching-He Huang in Sam Shui Po, and it's like an all-day Hong Kong breakfast cafe. A bit like a greasy spoon in London. They do all sorts of breakfast items, but what I'm here for is their minced beef and egg sandwich. So this is it, the food's arrived. This is what I'm here for. Look at that. Small pieces of minced beef, savoury, umami. You've got the eggy, warm deliciousness surrounding it in that omelette. And then it's crispy, not only on the outside but on the inside too. It just hits the spot. That sandwich at Ching-He Huang was super comforting. I'm going to make my own version, minced beef and eggy cheese sandwich. So the wok is smoking hot, tablespoon of rapeseed oil. Then in quickly with some garlic, ginger. Just give that a few seconds in the wok. Then in with the organic lean minced beef. Let the minced beef settle for a few seconds and then we're going to flip it over. Add some seasoning. Lee Kum Kee's premium oyster sauce. It's going to create a really umami, savoury note. Premium dark soy sauce, sprouting rice wine, ground white pepper. Pour the minced beef out into a bowl. Leave that to one side. Heat the pan to medium heat. 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil. Then we're going to add in 2 pieces of white bread. So you want to toast it for about a minute on one side until it's golden brown. So at this stage, pour in a beaten egg over the top of each slice. Spread it out with a spoon and then I'm going to flip it over until it cooks. So the egg should be nice and cooked on one side. Look at that, gorgeous. We're going to slather Lee Kum Kee's Hoisin sauce. On the other side, Lee Kum Kee's chili garlic sauce. I'm going to top it with all that delicious minced beef, and on the other, 1 slice of Monterey Jack cheese and sprinkle a little bit of spring onion. Fold that over and it's going to just need 30 seconds for that cheese to melt, and then we're ready to tuck in. Transfer it onto a board. I'm just going to slice through. That has got to be the perfect minced beef, eggy, cheesy sandwich.